Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now we are starting our topic of discussion, and that is a class 10th. That name is Condensed Formula of organic compound. Students, as you see, organic compound have a property. Their formulas can be shown in the condensed form. If we see the structure of methane, in which all of the hydrogens and carbons are seen in a tetrahedral structure, but we write its condensed formula, means we condensed all of the things to each other. That condensation means we collect to each other. That is a condensed formula of methane. As you know that there is a one carbon and 4 hydrogen atom are present. That is a condensed formula of methane. If we see the condensed formula of ethane, ethane have molecular formula C2H6 and its structural formula is that, and its condensed formula is H3CCH3, that is a ethane. And we write the condensed formula of propane, that is a C3H8 molecular formula. Write its structural formula, that is a carbon-carbon. There are 3 carbon atoms are attached to each other to form a chain compound, which is structural formula of propane, and its condensed formula is H3C single bond CH2 and CH3, that is known as propane. And we see this is important property of all the organic compound. There is all of the carbon and hydrogen attached to each other to form only single bond or double bond. They are shown, but their hydrogen are condensed to each other. They are collect to each other and form a compound, that is a propane. Next, we see that is a butane. It contains 4 carbon atom and 10 hydrogen atom. There is 4 carbon atoms are attached to each other in a single chain, and 10 hydrogen atom attached to these carbon by single bond. As you see that all of the compound attached to each other by only single bond. As you know that if we write its condensed formula, that is a hydrogen H3C single bond CH2 CH2 and CH3, that is a butane, which have condensed formula. That butane name is normal butane. And the last thing, that is normal butane and isobutane. If this is isobutane, then it contains H3C single bond CH single bond CH3 single bond CH3, that is a carbon-carbon hydrogen bond in which hydrogens are condensed to each other. We say that simply, that is a isobutane. Organic compound have a special property, that is a condensed formula of organic compound. That is the last thing we will discuss here. all of the lectures of formulas of organic compound now are satisfied. We repeat it. First of all, we will discuss in the first lecture, that is a molecular formula. Molecular formula, the formula which shows the actual number of atom present in a compound, that name is molecular formula, in which all of the carbon atom and hydrogen atom are shown properly. Example we will discuss in the class 10th, that is C6C4 Ethane, that contain butane, 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. All of the carbon atom attached to each other by single bond, and hydrogen atom attached to carbon atom by single bonds. If we see that there is a 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms, and we will discuss again, that is structural formula, the formula which show the different attachment of hydrogen and carbon atom to each other, that name is structural formula. Another formula we will discuss here, that name is dot cross formula or electronic formula, in which we show the number of electrons attached to each other, and also we shown the electron by dot and cross. All of lecture about the formulas of organic compound. As any student required any lecture on any topic of chemistry, then you comment on our topic